All right, so special thanks to our friends at CASEKOO who were nice enough to send us these iPhone charging and sync cables. This is a 3-foot charging cable. Let's unbox it and take a look at it. All right, so this is the 3-foot CASEKOO sync cable for iPhone. Look at that. That's it for the box. And inside of here is a very nice, with even a Velcro tie for your cable, lightning cable. So it's USB-C type over here, little CASEKOO logo, very nice looking. And then this side also has a CASEKOO logo with the lightning port. So I think I'll actually end up using this at my desktop because I could use a charge and sync cable like this one of this length. So I can plug this into my iMac in the back and then just plug in my iPhone. It'll charge. I'll be able to pull off my videos and photos nice and easy. And it's also a braided cable, so it shouldn't be able to be chewed through dogs or animals as easy as a normal cable. So thanks again to CASEKOO for sending me this 3-foot iPhone charging and sync cable. It also works with iPads, iPods, anything with a lightning port. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.